Welcome to the show, Sharath.
Yeah. Hello. Hi.
So you're in an interesting space as a vehicle user. I understand you are in vehicle inspection. Could you talk about it?
Yeah, sure. So we at ClearCoat, we simplify vehicle inspections. We work with car companies. We work with fleet companies as well as insurance companies. We provide our software as a B2B solution for digitizing vehicle inspections. What we finally offer is a solution which allows the car owner to upload images or videos of his or her car, and then our solution instantly does an assessment of the car and provides an inspection report to the insurance company or to the fleet company or to a car dealership. We provide an inspection report identifying what damages found on the car, and the outcome of all that is so that the insurance company can quickly provide claims settlement, or a fleet company can quickly do a check-in check-out of the vehicle if it's a vehicle that has been rented out for rental purpose. The fleet companies can get a quick assessment of the vehicle done for settling amount with their customers. So that's the benefit our solution gives. You don't need to physically send somebody to assess the vehicle. You can get the assessment done just on the basis of images or videos.
I had renewed my Harley insurance.
Okay.
I was asked to take some pictures and upload into the
Right.
software and then done. Is that also
Correct.
something that your software helps?
Yes, yeah. We focused only on the four-wheeler segment, but yeah, in a general sense, yes. What you experience is what we aid in. Uh, all the insurance companies today have a digital interface where they allow you to click images, upload images, and then maybe there's a human on the other side checking the images, verifying if it's the right vehicle that you're renewing insurance for. So the human does an inspection of the images and then gives a go ahead to renew insurance or to do the underwriting steps. So where we come in is we don't want you have a human look at the images and then suggest the damages. Our solution does the damage assessment on the basis of images or videos. So as an insurance company, you can take a call out of 100 vehicles that have come in, which of the 100 vehicles really needs a physical inspection and which vehicles are okay just on the basis of images analyzed by ClearCoat, proceed and do the underwriting decision. So that's where our solution comes in.
As a vehicle user,
Yeah,
when very typically when you are involved in an accident, when you
right,
do inspection, the customer ends up or the user ends up not being happy with an insurance company with a claim settlement.
right,
what
right.
is the what is the satisfaction level that consumer that use your product or use your solution to get their
Yeah.
claim settled? What's the percentage of success there, or satisfaction more
So,
important?
yeah, our goal is to get customers settle their claims in minutes, which is today at days. We're seeing how we can help insurance companies reduce that from days to minutes. That's the goal we are working towards. There are some insurance companies who want to give this kind of an experience to their customers. So those kinds of insurance companies or fleet companies, that's the target segment we work with.
Do you ever get complaints saying कि नहीं मेरा insurance तो मेरा मेरा जो damage है that was almost about 50,000, but because of this software it could not show all the damages and I ended up getting only 30,000. Do you
Right.
get that kind of a thing?
Correct. Yeah. So we are seeing our solution is not a all-encompassing solution. It's not a perfect solution. Uh, where our solution is helping clients today, our existing clients today, see the value in reducing the need to physically send surveyors. They're still having their surveyors in their team, just that they're not sending surveyors for the simple damage cases. They're keeping their surveyors used only for the more complex damage case vehicles where the collision on the vehicle is so severe. It's not just on the exterior that the damages are found, the damages are also on the interiors of the car. So such kinds of cases still need to go through a human, a surveyor has to still be involved. Where our solution helps is on those vehicles where the claim is for just a simple scratch or a dent or a broken headlamp, tail lamp, windshield. For those kinds of cases, our solution does a lot of justice. For
Uh,
the insurance companies, benefit is in using our solution, they get to identify which of the claims need really a physical inspection and the remaining ones which can be processed virtually. So that decision point the insurance companies are able to do through our solution.
By that logic, it can be extended into for other sectors also. Is there any other potential sectors that you can go, not necessarily insurance?
Yes, in fact, beyond insurance, our bigger client base is in the fleet industry, vehicle rentals or car sharing companies. That's a big segment for us where we have customers. And the second segment is car dealerships. And today in the COVID era, all dealerships are offering pickup and drop service. So they are sending a driver to go to customer's place, pick the car, bring it to dealership for doing your periodic services. So as part of the pickup drop service, the dealerships use our solution. So they get to check the customer's vehicle, make sure any damages are identified and reported. They don't want any damages to be made liable on the poor driver who's driven it perfectly okay, but if there is no digital proof through images and videos, and if our solution not captured that, the dealership will have the liability of having to answer the customer. So that's where our solution is currently being used in a larger volume as compared to insurance.
That's really nice because I remember a few years back a pickup guy would come with a paper and he would mark circle
Right.
or various parts on a car and would
Right.
identify the dents with a circle.
Yes.
So
Yes.
your solution is basically replacing that.
Right, exactly. That's right. The dealerships, we are not using our solution just as a cost control to capture the vehicle condition in detail. We're in fact turning around and giving the dealerships a revenue upsell opportunity. Now the dealerships are using our solution to record exact damages on the customer vehicle, and they are also instantly telling their customer while picking up the customer's car. The dealership is now having data with them saying, "Sir, these are the damages we see in your vehicle. While your vehicle is anyways coming to our dealership for general service, can we also fix this scratch or dent which is already found in your vehicle?" They're getting an instant estimate and they're able to share that estimate with customer. We allow WhatsApp and all these kinds of interfaces for the customer to approve estimate virtually. Our solution is now being used as a revenue enhancing solution, not just controlling costs. In fact, a success story we have is from Kerala. We have a Hyundai dealer group who even in the COVID days are now able to generate a few lakhs of incremental revenues by doing pickup drops and by using our solution for vehicle inspections.
So as a user, one other thing that comes to my mind is
Yeah,
the sale of pre-owned cars. And
right.
it's difficult to make out as to what
Yes.
was the previous history of the car when it comes to accidents and dents and whatnot. Does your solution have anything built into it which can identify
Yeah,
car if it has used your solution in the past? I could
right.
I can check what is the history of dents, probably by
Exactly.
you mean.
Exactly. Used car inspections is a big space. We're just about starting a pilot project with one of the leading used car companies here in India. I need to be frank with you that in the used car evaluation space, it's not just only the exteriors of the car. A lot of other aspects also become important to get an exact value to determine the valuation of the vehicle. From exteriors point of view, yes, we are able to do justice. If the same vehicle was inspected at different time points, we can give you a clear picture of what incremental damages have got added onto the vehicle at each stage of inspection. So that's a benefit we definitely offer from a used car inspection point of view.
I know from my personal experience is the guy at the used car would detect more out from the external or exterior damages than from
Right.
internal. So
Right.
something like yours would really help in
Right.
understanding the history of the car. What has it gone through?
Yes. Yes. That's right. Yeah.
Where are you seeing this go next in terms of one you talked about insurance segment. One is where would it go next using the way
So,
the technology is emerging?
from a technology point of view, GPUs and AI and these kind of technologies are becoming very relevant thanks to cloud players like AWS and Azure. We are on AWS extensively, so we are able to achieve like a 90% accuracy level in terms of detecting damages on a vehicle on the basis of images. We are seeing how that 90% accuracy can further be enhanced. That's a clear goal we have set for ourselves. In terms of the markets and the ways of us reaching out, we're seeing not just our app to be used by all end users. We are also giving our solution in the form of APIs. Our solution can be integrated with any existing software, with let's say a fleet software or an insurance claim application. Our solution can be integrated. We are giving those integration touch points. So any other existing software company can potentially use ClearQuote APIs and provide this functionality in their software. So that's the second area we are focusing on.
Are you currently focusing on Indian market, or are you also exploring international market?
Yeah, in fact, our main pursuit is markets like Middle East and Europe. Those are markets where our focus is. We using India because we are based in India. We are using India as a test bed. We are using India as a market to tap into rich vehicle image data that we are getting access to. Because finally, to build an AI solution, you need to have data in hand. And from that perspective, yes, India is our test bed market.
What does it mean for a startup like yours to be part of NASDAQ 2020?
We're very proud to be a NASSCOM member, and we are in fact a part of NASSCOM's Deep Tech Club, which is an elite group of deep tech and AI-based companies. We are part of that group. We've had a lot of benefits being part of NASSCOM. With NASDAQ, we are seeing quite a lot of industry veterans and technology giants are participating in this event. So we look forward to engaging and learning as well, not just sharing what we have at ClearQuote, but also learning from other companies in this space.
MyStartup TV is a platform for startups like yours and MSMEs. We are showcasing, our endeavor is to showcase, stories like yours. What's your thoughts when you hear that?
So that's great. In fact, we got introduced to My Startup TV through the NASDAQ event. So we, in fact, in our team now, we've all started visiting My Startup TV to see what kind of content and podcasts you have available. So look forward to using your portal more.
Thank you, Sharad. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to hosting you on our.